So first things first, you're going to need a background for your video. I like to go in the app Fonto and pick a color themed background from there. They have many different colors. I like to change the sizing of the photo to 16 by 9 because that's just how YouTube's video upload is. And you can see all the colors that they have there. I like to pick my color from there. You can go to Pinterest or you can just Google a background if that's easier for you. But basically you just need a background for your intro or your outro. Now I'm only going to be using these two apps, this app to find my background, and then the next app that I'm going to be going into is the app VITA. The app is free and I edit literally all of my videos on there, and this app is amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the photo that I chose for my background and I'm gonna drag that to be 5 seconds. Now you can make this longer or shorter if you want to. I've learned that the longer the intro, the less likely people are gonna watch it, because honestly, if I'm watching a video and the intro is longer than 10 seconds, I'm skipping through the intro. And so personally, I don't like my intros to be any more than 5 seconds. So now I'm showing you guys how you would have the animations on your video. This app has different like things or effects to put on here. So you will go to effects and I'm showing you guys some of the different options that they have. They have different options under nature, under particles, stuff like that. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be using the palm tree background because I think it's cute. I think it's nice. Alright, so once you add the effect that you want, you're going to want to drag that for the entirety of the video so it's on there the whole time. Now I'm going to be doing like my name, or you can just put whatever you want, like your channel name or whatever. For this video, I'm going to be just writing my full name in capital letters in white font, and then this app also has different font colors and different font like types, and you can add animations and all that stuff. So once I get the font that I want, I'm going to drag that for the entirety of the video as well. And this is basically going to be the main background of my intro. And so now I'm going to type in a new text, and I'm just going to type in my name again, but in all lowercase letters. And I'm going to change the font to a cursive type font, and then change the color to a black. And then I am going to lay that on top of the white that I had already put behind already. Yeah, that makes sense at all. So with this black font, I'm going to add an animation to it, and I'm showing you the different animations that they have here. You can choose from whatever, but I like to choose the one where it's swiping from the right because it kind of looks like it's being typed in, and I just feel like that goes with the whole minimalistic, feel. So that's the font I'm going to be using and the animation. Don't mind my mom texting me in the middle of this video, but now that I'm done finding my text, I'm going to drag it for the entirety of the video as well. And now we're pretty much done with the intro. So you can add music here on this app, which I will show you how to do that, or you can just not add music or add music however you want. This app also has some music choices that are copyright free, and so that they are usable for YouTube. This specific song isn't on the category for YouTube authorization, but since the intro is only 5 seconds, it doesn't get copyrighted at all anyways. So I'm putting that on the video, and then that'll be it. That's the intro. Very simple, very quick. Also, like, this whole video is in real time. I'm not speeding up anything. I'm not slowing down anything. Everything you see me doing, that's how fast it took me to do it. So now it's time for the outro. I'm pretty much going to do the exact same thing I did for the intro. Grab the background picture, pull it out for 5 seconds, put the palm tree effect on it, and yeah. Now for the outro video, it's going to be a little bit different than the intro. I decided to go with the basic thank you text, and I'm doing the same thing I did for like the intro where I had the white text as the background, and then I'm going to do the black cursive text on top of it. And so I'm going to put thank you in really big letters on the top, and then I'm going to write thank you for watching in black font and put that on top of the white. So I'm doing the same thing I did in the intro. I'm going to make that black font animated and make it look like it's being typed by pressing the animation swipe right. And then I'm going to extend that text all the way to the end of the video. And so now I'm going to put at the bottom of the outro, watch more Shania here, and this is basically just gonna get people to look at more of my videos on my channel. And so usually on the outro I would put a subscribe button and then a video like my last video that I uploaded, or just a video that YouTube would generate for the person based on like their interests and stuff like that. And so that's what I'm doing there. I'm gonna use the animation swipe up, and I'm gonna put that for the whole duration of the video as well. So you can definitely leave the outro like this, but I'm gonna add some stickers so that my end screen looks a little more, I don't know, lively. I added this brown circle, and I went into the sticker section on this app, and they have a whole bunch of different stickers, and there's some stickers for YouTube specifically, for Instagram, all that good stuff. But I'm basically putting a circle and a rectangle so that way I can put a subscribe button there, and then I can put a video suggestion there. However, I wasn't finding a rectangle that I necessarily liked with the theme of this outro, so I went back to the app Fonto, which you'll see in a little bit, and I basically did the same thing I did just to get my background of the picture. I went and I picked a color that I liked. I tried to make it match the circle that I had, but I didn't match it all that good, but you get the whole point. Yeah, the app had a ad that I had to get rid of, but basically I'm making the box that I usually put the video suggestion on from the app Fonto, and then I'm gonna place that into the outro video in the app VITA. So the way you would add the picture on to the video, you would go to the option PIP, and then you would click the image that you want and then adjust the size of it. Again, like I said, I didn't color match it perfectly, but this is just like a sloppy one just to show you guys how to do it. But yeah, once I figure out the placement of it, I'm gonna put that for the whole duration of the video. And then this is the preview so far. I wanted to add a little arrow pointing to the rectangle so that people can look at the rectangle. So I went back into the stickers and I found an arrow, and I just adjusted it so that it was pointing to the rectangle, and then I added an animation for it to slide up at the same time as the words at the bottom of the screen were sliding up. Here I'm showing you that the app also gives you an option to loop the animation throughout the whole video. I didn't want to do this because I just thought it was too much for an outro, but I'm just showing you that you can do different animations with it. You can make it like dance or shake or tremble or whatever, but I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm just going to have it slide into the screen and then just stay still. So now I'm going to add the same song that I put on my intro video to this outro video, and then that'll be all. This is so quick and so easy to do by yourself, and it's so cute. It's minimalistic, you know, gets the job done. I personally don't like intros or outros that just have so much stuff going on that it's just really distracting, and then it's just defeats the purpose of it. So this is for you people who just want some things quick and simple and you just want to do it yourself. So now I'm just going to save the video to my camera roll, and then I can just use it for whenever I edit my videos and add it to my videos. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and I hope you're able to make your own intro or outro video. And with that, I'll see you guys next time.